Good, good?
Yep, all good.
Welcome to our first gambler tournament of the year. We got Michael Moore, Yelang, alongside Billy and me. So I think there was about 40 boats that's registered. We'll see who else shows up.
That one. Small.
Yep. Yep. Nice. That's a nice one. There we go. Billy's clutching it out on the net rig.
Man.
Dumb but effective.
That's your one. Let's keep it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. That'll do us up.
Are you ready? It's coming. It's coming. Okay, it's gonna come right up. Oh, right there. Yeah, that's our kicker.
Gio, that's a freaking kicker. That's solid three, dude.
Yeah.
Easy. You don't even need a calling tag on this guy.
Nice. Let's go. Yep. Definitely make my yellow one. Right. Oh. There. Sure, it to be the yellow one.
No, that's kicking it. My glasses. These glasses. No, dude, that's actually bigger than probably my first one.
Oh, fish. All right. Okay. Yep. Oh. Yep. And should we check? We'll check your green.
Let me hold while you grab.
Okay.
I'll hold the fish. It's like, yeah.
It might be.
It might. We'll see.
I don't know if it's gonna take the jig or not. Oh. Yep. I mean, it might. Yeah, come on. Be bigger than. Yeah,
if I had to bet, I think that's that.
Don't worry, this is the one that steal your bait.
Yeah, for sure. I even called that he was very cool.
Yeah, 14 ounces. Free Willy! Yep. Ah, it's small.
Yeah.
I'll measure it too. What's that? 107, right?
Yeah, down. Go ahead.
It's gonna be 2-pounder.
Yeah, wait,
14, 15. Probably a branch. Wait, that's a fish.
Oh, my God. Branch. Oh, wait, it's probably the same one though, right?
Full speed ahead.
Oh, I got fish.
Oh, you do have a
What the heck?
Yeah, you do have a fish.
Oh, it might be decent. Oh, it might all decent. It might be decent. It might be decent. Oh, decent.
You okay?
Decent. What the heck? This thing came out of nowhere. I was just dangling up and down. I'm not even kidding, dude. If you watch, oh, it's actually decent. What the frick?
Okay.
Here he comes. He's coming out.
Yeah.
He's coming out. He's good. He's good. No. He's good.
Yeah, he's good.
Dude, that is
Might. He might.
Oh,
I don't know. He's close.
Like every other one.
Yeah, he's close.
Oh my god. Dude, I was just dangling up and down because I was watching you struggle. What the frick? Oh, please be.
Was it 1?
1.8 is the lowest now.
1.8.
Yeah.
I think one's 112.
Oh damn!
Yeah, it says 112.
Huge upgrade, bro.
Yeah, 112.
No, look at the stomach though.
Yeah.
Yo, I was just dangling like this, like watching you.
You caught another one? Yeah.
Oh no, he's small.
He's small. Ah.
Whoa. Just net it, just net
Yeah.
it. Oh my god, dude, what is going on?
I don't think this one's big enough.
What is going on? I wish you could see what I'm doing.
I think this one's probably smaller.
Oh, yeah, I think it's smaller. Yeah. Nah, he's not smaller. Yo, it's freaking funny as heck. If only people could see what I'm doing.
What the?
Yo, what the heck is that?
Oh, like a tree fell.
Oh,
1.4.
1.4?
Yeah.
Yeah, trash.
Yep, 1.4.
Okay.
All right, number 5, Georgia Wanter, and I got 5 fish.
Number 5 and 5 fish. Walker first.
Yep.
What kind of gamma bait we using there, buddy?
We're using the Ninja flipping.
What you use? Ninja?
Oh, the Ninja and the chunk. The Gambler
chunk,
chunk.
the new chunk that
Yeah.
came out.
Yep, the
You
black
guys
blue
gotta
chunk.
check that out. Old
Yep.
school, but it still works. It still works
Yep.
real good. Okay, so number 5, lunker of 2 pounds, 10.5 ounces. 2 pounds, 10.5 for the lunk. Okay, and he's got a limit, right?
Yep, 5.
Does it go underneath?
Yeah, we did. We didn't catch
Nice.
any. We didn't catch any big ones over there though.
Nothing over there?
I mean, we caught like 3 little ones.
Wow. Okay, total weight for number 5 will be 9 pounds, 9.5 ounces. 9 pounds, 9.5 ounces. That's a good weight for today.
Thank you.
Very rough out there today.
Yep.
Post spawn. Nicely done.
I don't know how big the beach is.
You're gonna get it done.
Yeah, gonna get it done. My first time fishing this year, so we'll see how it goes.
Try to win it. Won it with his other brothers. Try to win it with him.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
As long as we beat those two over there, yeah.
Yeah, I gotta cut that one out. Yep. Small. I'll just.
Sure.
He's legal though. Nope, be short. Short. Yeah, that's small. He might make it. Yeah, he is. Bigger than the one I caught. Small. 13. I put a curse on it. Fish? Yeah, it's fish. That's fish. It has to be a fish. It's decent. It feels big.
Oh, that's
Yeah, it's okay. Ready? Don't worry, I'll come to you. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. I'll come to you. Just there. There you go. It's okay.
good.
Yep.
Yeah, 1.5.
Yep.
Oh my god.
That would have been bad. Stick pull back. Oh, is that a fish? What's the fish? All right. Don't let him jump. Just keep your rod tip low. If it looks like he's gonna come up, put your rod down. Yep. Yep. Just let him fish. Just let him. Oh, hold on. Ooh, told ya. That's your kicker. Look at that beast. Look at that beast. Told you you're gonna clutch it. Am I recording?
Now you are.
Yeah, I am. Well, yo, look at that. We're beast, dude. It's 4. That's almost a 4, dude. That bass was on your new rod too, huh? Nice. Heck yeah. It's not a version no more. Yep. You think he's short. Ow! Spikes. 11. Exactly 11. Fish. Yeah. He feels big. He feels big. Yeah. Ready? Ready? He's jumping. Yeah, there's a nice one. Good stuff, Edward.
Very nice bird. This one's probably small. That one's probably pretty good.
I think the gray might have to be the one that goes.
You think so?
Yeah. This white one looks pretty big.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, so this one.
So white goes or white
This?
stays?
White stays and then purple. So the next one to go is gray. Okay, we got that one. Throw it in here, and then we'll let that one go. The other one's yellow or orange.
Left-handed or right-handed?
Left-handed, because that's be the one holding the fish.
Alright,
you want to
put your number
this way. It says. Alright. First bass. Alright, that was number one. Alright, nice bass. Time for release. Goodbye. Bass number two. Oh, he did not make it. 11.5. This one's big enough. No, we made 12. There's two. Just a little update. Caught 3 fish. One was like 12, the other one's like 16, this one was like 14, so getting it done. Just need to catch that 18 pluser to win big bag, you know. So keep grinding. Another one. All right, number 4. Right. Nice little bass, probably a pound and a quarter maybe. Goodbye. Another one. This one might be 15. It's 15, so 14, 16, and 15. Thank you, bass. No. Goodbye. Another one. 12 and a quarter. Not really scoreable. Or it doesn't really help. Goodbye. Snakehead. snakehead. You got a snakehead. Let's go. Got a snakehead. Bad. No, I'm just gonna figure out where I want to put this. Okay. Oh, freaking me. All right, just caught my kicker. It's raining out, so I had my GoPro covered up because my battery case has a hole for my external battery. But there we go, guys. Caught my lunker. It's probably 18. I'm gonna say he's 18. Yeah. Okay. Let's go hide from the rain. Come aboard. Let's hope he doesn't flop out. Yeah, he's 18 for sure. Please do not flop. Got 6. Well, I did catch 2 other small ones while it rained. They were probably only like 12, 13. And then I landed this one. I didn't have my GoPro on. So, another look at this guy before I let him go. Here you go. 18 inches. Okay. Ready to go, Bass? Yep, get ready. Awesome. Hopefully my pictures went through.
Did you get a limit?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Mine's small. Very, maybe 40 inches.
Oh.
Maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, my biggest one was 18, so.
Nice.
Yeah. Only problem now is I don't know if it's sent it or not. My pictures get sent to you.
Let me double check my phone here.
It says it's sending, but
I had another guy that it was literally took like a half hour.
Okay.
Just so when we go up to the table, I'm just gonna look at your phone,
Okay,
look at your
okay.
pictures.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
cool.
I don't think anybody would have a problem with that.
Oh, yeah.
If they do, it's.
there was another guy I had to do it with up there because like literally it was like 20 minutes later we're all up there standing talking and then you hear my phone go off. I'm like, oh, there's one of your pictures. Goes off 10 minutes later. Oh, there's the other one. You send them all at once.
Yeah.
Are you doing
Like,
at least you got a limit. I got 2. I got 2.
I think it's 40.
I missed 8. I got a bunch small ones, but I missed 8.
All right, so it came down to literally the last guy texting in. We're gonna have 3rd place. We're gonna be Jim Kelly at 45 and an 8.
Nice.
$65. At least it was more than the entry fee this year.
Yeah.
2nd place, Jim Derrick with 45 and a quarter. So buy it.
Nice.
110.
Got it.
And
Nice.
right at the end, we got George Slower with 49 inches for 150
All right,
bucks.
thank you.
Good job, man.
Thanks.
And then don't walk away because
Oh.
right last second with an 18 incher, you got the lunker for 100.
Oh, nice.
By a quarter inch.
For real?
Dude, it was
You got
so
17 in it. Oh, man.
Did you have this lunker from
Uh,
that 17?
yeah, I caught that right at the last second, too.
Damn.
Congratulations.
17,
Yeah.
7,
Good job.
Thanks. Thanks, man.
Dude, he only had the other guy beat by a quarter.
Oh.
So it was you beat
Quarter.
Quarter.
dude. Holy
Man.
No, he has not ordered medals for any of these tournaments.
Man,
this
because I
year.
needed that second one to complete my collection. I got 1 and 3.
I got it.
I need that second one.
He's been lazy on some stuff this year.
Well, tell him he can get it to me later.
Let me, where are these other guys at? I was gonna, do me a favor, guys, let's all walk down here. I'm gonna get you guys all buy a kayak and take a picture for Gina to post with the,
Oh, all right.
with the weigh-in sheet.
Congrats.
All right, yeah, thanks. All right, see you guys. Thanks again. Yep, thanks.
Have a good one, guys.
Yep.
You guys gonna be here tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll be here. Yeah, yep.